Welcome to the Fast Track Guide to K18, Robust Research and Evaluation. Let's get straight to it. K18 is the set of professional techniques you use to prove a technology solution is the right choice. It's what turns your good idea into an evidence-based case that a business can approve. It covers 5 key skills: researching inside your company, internal research, and outside, external research, then evaluating your options with a cost-benefit analysis, CBA, feasibility studies, and a SWOT analysis. Mastering this skill and showing it in your portfolio is how you prove to assessors that you are a commercially aware professional who can be trusted to make good decisions. Let's focus on 2 of the most powerful and easy-to-apply techniques that will give you immediate results and great portfolio evidence. First, the feasibility study. This is your "can we" test. Before starting any new task, ask 3 quick questions. Is it technical life feasible? Do we have the skills? Is it economic ally feasible? Do we have the time? And is it operational life feasible? Will the end user actually use this? This simple 3-question check stops bad ideas early. Second, the cost-benefit analysis, or CBA. This is your "should we" test. It's a simple balance. On one side, list the costs, like your developer time or license fees. On the other, list the benefits, like time saved for the sales team, or risk reduced. If the benefits are bigger than the costs, you have your justification. You can apply these skills at work immediately. For research, before you start coding your next feature, spend 10 minutes researching. Is there an existing library that could do this? That's technical research. What does our competitor's version of this feature look like? That's market research. For evaluation, when you're given a task, just write down 2 possible options. List 1 pro and 1 con for each. You've just done an evaluation. The easiest way to get evidence is to be direct. Talk to your manager and say, "I'm focusing on K18 for my apprenticeship. Can you show me a business case for a recent project? I want to see how we do justification here." This shows initiative and helps you learn fast. To get the marks for K18, you must document your actions effectively in your portfolio using the STAR method. It's a simple story structure assessors look for. S. Situation. The team was debating which of 2 new cloud services to use for a project. T. Task. My task was to research the 2 options to help the team make a decision. Action. I applied K18. I conducted robust research on both. I created a comparison table, evaluating them on technical feasibility, our team skills, and cost, a mini CBA. Result. My research was shared with the team, who used it to make a quick, evidence-based decision. My work provided the justification to proceed. This is a perfect, concise piece of evidence. Here is your final action plan for K18. First, this week, seek out 1 small task where you have a choice. It could be 2 ways to fix a bug or 2 libraries to use. Second, implement a K18 technique. Then 15 minutes doing the research and writing down the pros and cons. Third, as soon as you've done it, reflect. Write that STAR reflection while it's fresh in your mind and add it to your portfolio. Finally, for your major project, this is not optional, it's a core requirement for top grades. Your final report must have a section on justification and evaluation. Use the K18 language from this session, CBA, technical feasibility, market research, to explain why you chose your solution, your technology, and your design. This is how you prove your competence.